ever wondered why two people on the exact same flight can pay hundreds of dollars apart? Or why some passengers seem to breeze through airports while everyone else waits in endless lines? The truth is, airports are full of little-known tricks that airlines rarely advertise. Some can save you money, some can save you hours, and a few could completely change the way you travel forever. Today we're counting down 20 airport secrets airlines don't want you to know. Stay until the end, because secret number 1 could save you hundreds of dollars every single trip. Secret 20. Bring an empty water bottle. Most airports have free water refill stations after security. Instead of paying $6 for bottled water, just refill your own. One tiny habit, hundreds of dollars saved over a lifetime. Secret 19. Never check in too early online. If the flight isn't full, waiting a little before selecting your seat can sometimes reveal better options. Many airlines continue adjusting seat availability until closer to departure. Secret 18. Ask for a gate check. If overhead bins are already full, the airline may check your carry-on for free. Your bag usually arrives at baggage claim, saving you expensive checked baggage fees. Secret 17. Always search flights in incognito mode? Actually, that's mostly a myth. Most major airlines don't increase prices just because you searched several times. Prices usually change because inventory changes. Knowing the difference keeps you from wasting time clearing cookies every 5 minutes. Secret 16. The airport isn't always the best place to exchange money. Exchange counters often have some of the worst rates you'll find. Using a travel-friendly debit card can save far more. Retention loop. And the next secret explains why frequent travelers almost never stand in long security lines. Secret 15. Many airports now let you reserve a security screening time for free. No premium ticket required. Just book a time online before your trip. Many travelers don't even know it exists. Secret 14. Your boarding group matters more than your seat, even if you're sitting in economy. Boarding earlier means better overhead bin space. Sometimes that's worth more than extra legroom. Secret 13. Take a screenshot of your boarding pass, airport Wi-Fi, mobile signals, and airline apps all fail at the worst possible moment. One screenshot avoids unnecessary stress. Secret 12. Photograph your luggage before checking it. If it disappears, that photo helps airline staff identify it much faster. Simple, free, extremely useful. Secret 11. Put an AirTag or GPS tracker inside your luggage. Sometimes you'll know where your suitcase is before the airline does. Secret 10. Don't charge your phone using unknown USB ports. Some cybersecurity experts recommend using your own charger or power bank instead. Better safe than sorry. Most people already know these, but the next 10 are where things get really interesting. Secret 9. Flights early in the morning are usually delayed less often. Aircraft often begin the day exactly where they're scheduled. Fewer delays accumulate overnight. Secret 8. If your flight is canceled, don't stand in the customer service line. Call the airline while waiting. The phone agent may rebook you before you even reach the desk. Secret 7. Travel on Tuesday or Wednesday whenever possible. Midweek flights often cost less than weekends. Flexible dates can make an enormous difference. Secret 6. Keep medications, electronics, and one change of clothes inside your carry-on. Checked luggage sometimes arrives later than you do. Secret 5. Don't immediately accept the the first compensation offer during major disruptions. Sometimes airlines have additional hotel vouchers, meal credits, or rebooking options if you simply ask politely. Secret 4. Airport lounges aren't only for first-class passengers. Many allow one-time paid access. Sometimes the lounge costs less than buying a meal and drinks inside a terminal. Secret 3. If you miss a connection because of airline delays, ask whether you're entitled to meal vouchers or hotel accommodation. Many passengers never ask and never receive benefits they qualify for. Only 2 secrets left. And the final one explains how experienced travelers often avoid paying for seat selection entirely. Secret 2. Refresh the seat map again shortly before departure. Passengers cancel. Elite travelers upgrade. Blocked seats become available. Sometimes the best seats appear just hours before boarding. Secret 1. Here's the biggest secret. Airlines make billions, not only from tickets, but from everything surrounding them. Seat selection, checked baggage, priority boarding, food, insurance, rental cars, hotels. The cheapest ticket isn't always the cheapest trip. Experienced travelers don't only compare airfare, they compare the total travel cost. That's the difference between spending $300 and spending $700 for the exact same vacation. Now we want to hear from you. Which airport secret surprised you the most? Or do you know another travel trick that deserves to be on this list? Leave it in the comments below. If this video saved you money, hit like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next travel countdown.